My God, today is Bor Youth Association Inauguration, and we are really privileged to be here with you. I want to recognize the presence of Honorable General Kueigwong, Senior Presidential Advisor, Maulana Honorable Michael McQuay, the Minister of ICT. Also want to recognize Honorable Dr. Marial Dongri Nader, former Minister of Finance, and I want to recognize the President of my good friend, Honorable Simon Akwindeng, the Commissioner General of Revenue Authority. I also want to recognize the Chairperson of Bor Community who is here, outgoing Chairman Maulana Kueigwong. Thank you with your Madam Atiang, who is here with you. Also want to recognize Chairman of Bor Community Youth Association, Elijah Nyok, and the entire board members in their respective positions. Also want to recognize Victor Thornagok, who was actually contesting, was in the same positions, but today is here with us. People of Jonglei State and South Sudan who are here, all the special invited guests who have attended the event, with my two good friends standing beside me here. We are privileged to be with you, my community. My advice, which is only one thing I need to extend to the chairperson of Bor Youth Association, is advice that is important. You have seen all the people that have come here today. They are not just coming to witness how you are taking oath or how smart you and your team are dressed up. They came here to give you a solid ground and a solid foundation for your way ahead and the progress in your leadership. You know, people are being managed, and their management is extremely very tough. It's not like animals that you can just put anywhere and gather them, take them to whichever direction you ever want. Gathering people and managing people is a different case altogether, because they think and they speak and they have feeling, and they also have their own ideas. They decide the effect. So I believe that will be your center cornerstone that you will use to manage them well, with sense of leadership, sense of empathy. You must always be cautious in your decision. Take good decisions, not rush. And especially within this community, full of intellectual, intelligent individual, people with wisdom and with high literacy, it will be very hard for you, my brother, but I want you to take it very slow. Use it wisely, because tomorrow you will be in a different position after 2 years. I believe you will have to manage them with carefulness. This is my advice, and you will have followers always. Put forgiveness in your front and reach out to the rest that contest with you before. It was a tough contest. Reconcile and move ahead. And within your team, be very transparent. I've actually been a chairperson of a community. I understand how difficult it is, because sometimes it is just non-profit making organization. There's no budget that you will have that is very steady. So you must be transparent to your team, so that the team don't fall apart, because this is where it begins. This integration begins from where you are with your members. With these few remarks, I will stop here, because time is very important. Thank you very much, and thank you for welcoming all of us into this occasion.